We bought this fan here off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for you. And this fan also has the capability to be used as a misting fan. We don't have the misting kit right now, but you know, I definitely have that on my list of things to maybe convert this to a misting fan as well. But anyway, for now, it's just gonna be a regular fan, and the idea is to install it maybe in this area right up here and help us get some more breeze going through here when the super hot days of summer come. So we're gonna take a look at this, open this box up. So as best I can tell, we're not going to need these things right here, and we're not going to need this thing right here because we're not going to set the fan on the ground. So what we're going to do, it looks like, is we're going to use this part right here that's connected to the fan, this bracket thing here that is movable. So we're gonna line this up, line these holes up on my beam up here, and then we're gonna drill some holes and secure this up on the wall. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this thing and I'm gonna unscrew this bracket that connects, comes connected. See how it overlaps here? So I'm gonna unscrew this thing because I don't have to carry the whole fan up there by myself right now. I don't need that. So I need to unscrew this thing, and that way I can line up the holes up high on the beam and mark my spots where I need the holes on the beam. So I'm gonna unscrew this thing on both sides like this. We need this thing, which came on the outside of the fan right here. So we're gonna drill that into the beam up here at the top of the deck here underneath the covered area, and hopefully screw it in using these deck screws that I found. I tried to get the long ones for more support, and I'm gonna have to go with this one here. It looks like for this last hole right here, it's a little bit shorter. All right, so the fan not really gonna work right there. Tried it right there, and obviously the support beam right here kind of was in the way. You couldn't really tilt the fan down. So what I'm going to try to do is on this first support beam, I held the bracket up here, and I got a pencil and I marked my holes. I'm going to pre-drill these holes, and I'm going to try to secure it that way, and then I feel like I'll be able to angle the fan down. And this is the sitting area. So here's the sitting area right here. So if this, not that spot, yeah, no, not that spot, yeah, that spot, yeah, okay. So I'm gonna put it right here, pre-drill these holes right here, and I feel like I'll be able to angle it down and come across the area where people sit. So hopefully this will work. Okay, this looks a lot better. Can adjust the fan. I don't have to worry about the beam hitting it like it did over there. This is in the middle. Gonna have to work the cord along here. So right now things look a lot better than it did while we got on the other spot. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run the cord right here along this little railing right here, and I'm gonna put a couple screws to hold the cord back, and then I got a plug right here which goes over here to my bug zapper. So I got an empty spot on that outlet right there where the orange one is. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so with a little bit of trial and error, we got the iLiving 20-inch indoor-outdoor fan that we got from Amazon. Again, I'll put a link in the description of this video. Got it installed here. I decided to go underneath the main support beam right here, the first one sticking out. Obviously, the first one, trying to put it right here, that didn't work too well, so we got it right here. And I just turned it on a second ago. My wife's here now, so turned it on and it looks good. I got the little, added the little piece right here to it to adjust the speed, but we're going to turn it on again. Actually, it's already flipped on. We'll go ahead and pull the switch. So one right here on the sitting area and the whole main area right here I showed you earlier, I can feel it. I'm a good 7 feet away and feel it really good right here. So I think it's going to work. Thanks for watching.